I decided to come to Prez because everyone talked about the home feel that Prez gave them and just how close of relationships they made with not only fellow students, but the teachers and the staff members, and just how supportive everyone here is.
I decided to come to Prez because a friend recommended it, and when I came here to Shadow, everybody was so welcoming and nice, and I felt like I really wanted to come here, and it didn't feel like that anywhere else.
I chose Prez because I like the small environment and how close everyone is. Everyone was so close when I came, and it just felt like family.
I decided to come to Prez because my family has been a part of the Prez community for a good minute now, and I knew that I wanted to experience all the stories my family has told me about and how much they enjoyed going to Prez.
I came to Prez because a lot of my family before me came here, and when I shadowed here, it kind of just felt like I already belonged here. Like everybody knew each other and everybody treated each other like family already.
Why I came to Prez is because I love the environment here. Everyone here is welcoming, nice, and caring. And I like smaller schools, and Prez, since they're smaller, it's like a perfect fit for me.
I decided to come to Prez because I came from a bigger grade school, so I felt like with a smaller classroom setting, I would be more connected to people here.
I loved Prez. My sister and I both graduated from presentation, and my daughters, it just fit for them to be in a smaller environment where they could really excel at the things and be able to participate fully in a lot of the activities. Both of my girls have been in part of the drama club, which as grade school students, I'm not sure I would have ever seen them doing, but they both blossomed in that program.
I decided to come to Prez because of the environment and just making my own path and really becoming me here at Prez. What also made me choose Prez is the multiple sports and club opportunities they have to offer here.
Prez was the right fit for my daughter. She had shadowed other schools, but it was only at Prez that she felt that she would feel comfortable, be in a diverse environment, and also have the benefits of the small teacher-to-student ratios.
Well, being a smaller school, I get to know all the students. I know them on a first-name basis, and I get to know things about them and get to be a small part of their high school career.
As a counselor, it's extremely important for me to know each of my students and to know them as best as I can, and so with our school being on the smaller side, it's really nice to be able to make those one-on-one connections a lot more easily.
So I like when I can walk in the halls and I know everybody. I know their face and I know their name, and I know I can talk to them about anything. And if I need any help at all, I can go to any one of the teachers, any of the upperclassmen, and I can just ask them for help.
At my old school, it'd be a whole bunch of stuff going on, and the teacher had to go pay attention to this student, or it was like a whole bunch of kids. So at a smaller school, I get more attention from my teacher.
Prez's small size has really given me the opportunity to get individualized help with teachers and to just really just make really good friends and really get the help that I need to create success.
I like being in a small school because you can have a relationship with everyone, and the upperclassmen can easily have a relationship with the underclassmen.
I know basically everybody, and I've met a lot of new friends, and I know that I've had a conversation with everybody in our class, which is really fun.
With it being a smaller school, getting involved is much easier because you can go and talk to the teachers and the students and just get to know about certain things that Prez provides for us.
If I had gone to anywhere else, I had not swam before I came here. So I feel like if I had gone to anywhere else, I would not have been able to join the swim team. And I'm a senior, and I've been on it all 4 years. I was a co-captain last year. So I feel like I wouldn't have got those opportunities if I had gone to another school.
Another thing very special to Prez is our traditions. So my favorite tradition would definitely be walking in on the pretty front doors on your first day of freshman year and then not walking out of them again till the last day of your senior year. I think it creates a special bond with all Prez girls, whether you've already since graduated or you're coming in freshman year. It just brings you that bond straight away.
Signing the tower. I'd like to see everybody who's come in the Prez doors to sign that have signed it, and my sisters wrote me a note in there, so I want to find that.
My favorite Prez tradition would have to be either signing the tower or getting to sign your classmates' skirts senior year. The tradition I'm most looking forward to is probably ring ceremony. I'm just really excited to get my ring and to celebrate with all my classmates and to have one of my fellow students, a senior, give me my ring.
Probably signing the tower because I want to find my sister's message she left for me last year.
Walk-a-thon, just because the classes get to dress up and we all get to walk downtown and see everything and just have a good time together.
Oh, my favorite one would have to be the cookies and also being able to walk in through the doors from the first day and then being able to walk out on the last day.
Well, we're sitting in the middle of downtown Louisville, in the middle of Spalding University campus, so that, makes us different right there, is that we are surrounded by a college campus. We can go on field trips and we can walk where we're going, and the kids get used to navigating downtown streets and often feel like they could go anywhere and navigate downtown just because they know Louisville and they feel comfortable being downtown.
I love downtown because I cheered and everything was just right here. Like if I needed food, it was right there, and it's not like too far away from my house. And I feel like downtown brings in everybody from Indiana and Kentucky, so it's just a mixed variety of people and you get to know way more people.
I love being downtown because I'm close to some really fun restaurants that are yummy and good food. Also, I just love being in this community. I get exposed to a lot of cool things.
What I love most about Pres being downtown is just how many different food places there are everywhere. There's so many different cuisines and just fun places to go and like little small diners. And you really get to experience just a different type of vibe when you're going to places like by yourself with your friends after school.
The downtown location offers the girls real-world experiences. You have things like the walk-a-thon where the girls are able to be seen by the community. They're able to walk to different field trips that they may have. So not only do the girls get to learn their community, the community also gets to learn the Pres girls.
Oh, I love how close we are with the community in Louisville. Like I feel like if I went to another school that wasn't downtown or like so rooted within the Louisville community, I would not be getting the experiences that I'm getting now.
Presentation being downtown has been great. When we first began looking, there were some concerns about how we would get in and out of downtown. Would it be a big mess? Traffic be crazy? And there was also some initial concerns of how safe it was down there in that area. I'm happy to say that all those concerns were alleviated once we started our day-to-day routine with presentation. Traffic was very simple to get in and out of. It's been consistently smooth, and I love it. The safety, I felt a lot better with. Presentation has security officers spread out throughout campus, some directing traffic for safety, and others just being around as a presence for your daughters. There's also the collaboration with Spalding University down there, and they have their own security group that walks around as well. So that's all been taken care of as far as any concerns. A positive though of being down there is our daughters learn so much history of our city. Being down there amongst all the historic buildings, educational buildings, and it's just been great to see her learn about things just walking distance from museums and different stuff has been great. And she'll be the first to tell you, she tells us all the time that she loves that her high school is downtown.
I think we have a lot of great classes as far as our AP classes and our dual credit classes that we have, that the kids have the opportunity to go to Spalding, but even students who don't take part in any of those classes, we do have a college prep program, and so I think everybody gets prepared who is interested in being a college student.
Pres has prepared me for college by allowing me to have ACT prep and practice from freshman year, and students can start taking AP and dual credit classes starting their freshman year.
Pres has prepared me for college because I have a lot of opportunities to pursue higher level classes that prepare me for college level classes.
Prez has really helped prepare me for the future and for college because I'm able to take dual credit AP and honors classes that have really just helped prepare me for the college setting, what the teachers would be like, what the tests would be like, and all the reading material.
I definitely feel very prepared for college. It helped me figure out what I wanted to do in college and what I wanted to major in, especially because we had a lot of stuff like career building and a lot of stuff, specifically to figure out what we want to do with our lives. And I feel like all of my classwork and that kind of stuff has definitely prepared me especially from what I've heard from friends who have graduated from here and have gone to college. They feel like they were prepared and they feel like the classwork was the same, and they felt like what they were learning then is what they're learning now.
I love that presentation is so diverse. Our daughter's middle school and elementary school was that way as well. It's for her to be able to be around people that are different from her, whether it be different home circumstances, different cultures, all of that she gets. And it's a glimpse out into the real world. When she graduates presentation, she'll be going out into that world, meeting and talking and working with all of these different people. And she would have learned that tool here at presentation.
I like the diversity because I feel like I can get to know people with different backgrounds than me and different upbringings, and I think that's really cool.
In my old school, we all came from the same place, so I think it's cool that we get to have people from different walks of life, so I get to learn about more people.
It was the main reason why I wanted her to attend Prez. I wanted her to be in an environment where she was able to see others that look like her, but where her race wouldn't always be a part of the equation.
I think that a lot of people come from different backgrounds, so we can share different stories and just get to know a lot of different people.
Because here at Prez, we come from many different zip codes around Louisville. One of my best friends live across town from me, and I love it because I get to see many more places around Louisville. And here at Prez, you don't have to be someone different. You can always be yourself.
Why not Prez? My girl is a Prez girl. Not everybody has the opportunity to say that. What an unbelievable feeling as a parent to know that your daughter, you have given her the opportunity, you have allowed her the chance to come to a school, given the tools to succeed in life. These young women will have the innate ability to not only grow within themselves, spiritually, personally, professionally. So when they walk out of the doors at Presentation Academy, they are a woman, hear me roar.
I think people should consider coming to Prez because it really does feel like home, and you get excited to come to school and you get excited about the activities and the things we get to do, and just meeting the new people and seeing all of your friends every day is something that a lot of people don't get to say when they go to school.
Because everyone here is so sweet and so nice. Everyone here is welcoming, so you'll probably fit in fine. You might be shy for the first few days, but the more involved you get with the school, the more you're gonna have fun and the more friends you have.
I think they should get out of their comfort zone, meet new people from all around Louisville, and here at Prez you can be a part of the many sports teams we have or many clubs we have. There are so many opportunities here at Prez.
I think people should consider coming to Prez because it's often overlooked. I know I wasn't originally planning on coming to Prez, but when I shadowed, it just felt like I belonged here.
You should come to Prez because of our small size, and there's something for everybody here. It's a really unique experience that you won't get from any other high school.
If you're looking for a school that offers the close-knit, such as a family ties, then Prez will be the right fit for your daughter and your family.
Other girls should come to Prez because the environment is really welcoming and there's so many opportunities.
And I think that grade schoolers should choose to come to Prez because it really does provide a sisterhood straight out of the gate, and you meet your lifelong besties here.
I think you should consider to come to Prez because it's very close-knit. You get a lot of opportunities for college, and Prez overall is just a family kind of school, and I feel like if you want that, you should come here.
I think other families should consider sending their daughters to Presentation Academy. If they want for their daughter to be faith-filled, strong, and socially aware. If they want her to be the leader that she can be. If they want smaller class sizes for her to flourish in so she can get more one-on-one teaching time. If they want her to meet young women that are different from her. All of these reasons are great reasons for them to send their daughter to presentation.